My name is Pete Connor. I'm one of the directors here. We've been manufacturing in Bolton since about 2010. So we currently have approximately 50 people. We manufacture for the heating and ventilation industries and construction, mainly across the northwest, but we also have sites throughout the UK. When we were manufacturing, I think the premises that we were in at the time weren't ideally suited for what we were doing, but we were trying to make a go of it. The flow of work through the business was really poor. The systems were really poor. And it just wasn't an easy environment. We were moving stuff more times than we should have been. We were doing a lot more non-value work, working with yourselves at the Growth Hub. That's changed things. We look at things a lot differently now. Yeah. So yeah, we weren't in a good place. We're in a lot better place now, but we're evolving and we're changing every day. If you go through our workshop, we have standard tools on every bench, we have shadow boards on every bench, and it's all those little things like everyone knows where the tools they need are, cutting those little bits of time searching for things, and so it makes a massive difference. We made probably a 40% time saving. We just said, look, we want everybody in the business to be involved in this. It wasn't just the lean, it was the problem solving workshop as well, and also the leadership and culture workshop. And for everybody to experience that, we feel like a much more coherent business. It was so important for us that we start with a level environment and everybody was learning the same terminology. We were all learning the same techniques, the same methods. If you've heard of lean, then that's fantastic, but you don't know what you're doing, get the Growth Hub involved, because they'll come in and they'll show you how to introduce it into the business, because you can't just come in and say, I'm going to do lean overnight, because everyone will just look at you and go, oh, here we go, here's another little fad. It's not like that. It's a culture change. If you're already doing it a little bit, get the Growth Hub in to refresh what's going on. They'll always come in with something. There's always something new. They're continuously improving what they're doing. Even when we were doing our workshops, we were improving it because we found something didn't quite work as it should do. And that's how manufacturing especially works, but it's in all parts of the business as well. And all that's highlighted and introduced if you don't already know it by the Growth Hub.